I am not saying that Lightroom presets suck, but I do want you to know what you're buying yourself into. And that basically all the marketing around those presets is a lie. I want to clarify that this video is by no means to bash any preset creator or seller. I don't think they have any bad intention. I just think it should be clarified that this one-click magic kind of requires a few things. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. I'm a full-time social media strategist and consultant specializing in helping small businesses grow online. Today's video is very dear to my heart because it is about Lightroom presets, which you probably already know because you clicked the title. In case you don't know what presets are, they're basically filters that you can put on your photos with one click. But let's get into the story. I recently purchased Lightroom presets. My plan was to minimize the time I spent editing photos and just get really beautiful looking photos. I'm gonna cut it short now. I'm gonna be very real here. I am disappointed because I don't save any time at all when editing my photos and they don't look amazing. So basically the two only things I bought them for, they don't work for. Here's the thing. In a way, Lightroom presets are a bit like a weight loss pill. The magic weight loss pill we're all dying to have. The magic weight loss pill that doesn't exist. And the very magic getting amazing photos with one click pill doesn't exist either. Sorry to break it to you. Here's what I want you to know about Lightroom presets, because it's not like I completely hate them. It's a filter with certain settings. So a person created them by putting the settings in a certain way and then saving it to put it on other photos. And by you purchasing the presets, you're basically copying those exact settings onto your photo. But the thing is, not every photo looks the same. Not every photo has the same colors. Here, I'm gonna show you what I mean. So these are the presets that I bought. I think they were like 6 different sets, and then they all have different variations in color. This is one, it's called Pure. I'm gonna walk you through some of them and then show you what they looked like without a filter. See, now this was without a filter and this is with the filter. And now let's check another one. This is with a filter and this is without it. And you can clearly see already, but the other ones are going to be even better. Check this one. The colors are already so perfect together. Like if this was your Instagram feed, it would already look super good without the filters. And same here, because they are just all in similar colors. Let's copy those settings and put them on a photo of mine. I purposely took one with a lot of blue and white as well. But this is what it turned out. Let's take another one and add the same filter. And there you go. So would you have thought that when you put this filter on this photo that this would happen? Because me neither. But it does make a lot of sense. Check out this one. We're going to copy other settings now. I'm going to add them onto this photo. What the heck, right? Did you think that it would look like this? Like this is the original one? And I think it looks better like this than with the filter I just applied. Here's another one. I'm gonna add the same filter, really freaking dark. And this was the photo we started with. This is the preset that we took. And we got this photo and this photo. Let's take another one to show that this happens with a lot of filters. We're gonna add this one to the same photo. Beautiful, right? I don't really like it, in case you can't tell. So if you do want to use the one-click magic filter situation, then you have to take great photos that are already looking great together. And I think you saw this very clearly in the clips I just showed you. But the thing is, a lot of people, me included, don't have photos that are all in the exact same style and with the same colors. So in the end, if you're using Lightroom presets, you still have to adapt the settings so that they fit your photo. And to be honest, that doesn't save you so much time because you're still going to be editing your photo in an app. So what I would recommend you to do is to get the Lightroom app because it is free, which is amazing. You can do amazing things with it. And then watch some YouTube tutorials on how to edit your own photos in Lightroom, because then you can optimize every single photo separately and you can enhance them in the way that you need them to be. And honestly, that's probably gonna leave you with the same amount of time that you would have taken otherwise to adapt the preset to your needs. And also, this is so much fun. It is crazy what you can do with a single photo in Lightroom. I'm now gonna insert some examples of photos that I edited with Lightroom presets and then some photos that I edited by myself. And you should decide for yourself which ones you like better. So I do want to mention that I actually really tried to take the preset that I thought would fit the pictures best. So just saying that. And also, if some of my own edited photos look a bit weird to you, like really bluish or rosé-ish, that is because this is what my Instagram colors are, and so I did them like that. Presets are not worth the hype. What is worth the hype though is Adobe Lightroom. And in next week's video, I will show you how I actually use Lightroom now to edit my photos, because like I said, it is an amazing program and it changed my life. Okay, not really, but it's really nice. I'm just in awe of the amazing things that Lightroom can do, and I want you to know them as well. And also, it is completely free! How amazing is that? If you don't want to miss next week's video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell right next to it, because then you're going to be notified once the video goes live. Alright, you beautiful people, this concludes this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I hope it helped you decide whether you want to invest in presets or not. Now have a lovely day, and I'll see you next week.